Hello guys, you can see what I'm wearing now. Today I will teach you how I'm going to cut on a sleeve hem circle so that when you wear the hem circle not going to get rumple or surplus when your customer wear. So you see with this one day for my body, you like am abi? Then no wala. So let's get to the table so we will start now. First of all, you want to make sure 3.5 inch when you don't slant am from the back. You make sure the back 3.5 inch. You can see the way they do it now. Make sure 3.5 inch for like 3 places. Then you put the front go end for where that 3.5 inch they end. So you see what they do as so now you go arrange and way make it dey where that 3.5 inch there, so make it not pass there. You see the front and the back. Then after that one you can make sure 1/2 inch. You see now you make sure 1/2 inch for the front. See 1/2 inch which is for the front. Then you come forward and you carry your iron, you fold it. Make sure you iron it, you use iron to fold down and make the shirt relax. See what they do and so where the 1/2 inch when you mark, so now there you go fold the back to end on top and you not go pass that 1/2 inch place. You just see the way they do and so. Then you pull your step, you make sure your shoulder, this one I work with shoulder 20. You make sure your normal shoulder, here I work with 20. Then you add your 1/2 inch sewing allowance. Don't forget to have 1/2 inch sewing allowance. You add your 1/2 inch sewing allowance. Then from there, you make sure you minus 1 inch from your normal shoulder. You minus 1 inch from it, from the normal shoulder. That's what we use for the hem hole. You minus 1 inch from your normal shoulder. Don't forget 1 inch from your normal shoulder. Then you roll. See now, you mark that place. After that one, you see what I do, and so you go take your body measurement, the body measurement that you are working with, you take and then you add your sewing allowance for inside. You see the way I do and so. Then you connect them together. You will connect the allowance, your sewing allowance, to the real shoulder measurement, not be the 1/2 inch sewing when you put for the shoulder. Now you don't be that you go connect them to the real normal measurement of the shoulder. Now you connect it, so then you divide them by 2 and it will be equal. You divide that equal by 2. You see, and this one will get 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Then you take 2 inches backward. You see, 2 inches backward. You see, so then you connect the 2 inches to the sewing allowance when you add for the shoulder, which is the 1/2 inch. When you say you add for the shoulder, then you can use your hand take cover and the way they do and so. You see now you cover where if you get covering ruler you use them, but if you not get, if you use your hand, you see that my hand I use the for you, so just cover where you cover where, then you shape start to the cut. And don't forget, you not go cut the back and the front together at the same time. Just see and the way I will do now. That's when I cut 3J, I cut stop. Then you cut just now lay the front with the cut for yes, so and I will see. Let's say I'm busy now lay the front with cut, then before you cut start to the cut the back. You give the back 3/4 inch away from the front. The back and the front not go they equal. You see I say the front they deeper than the back.